Hello friends, welcome to this video on top 5 questions being asked in any job interview by an interviewer to a candidate. While jotting down these questions, we have taken a lot of consideration and we have contacted many HR managers and HR heads about their requirement while hiring a candidate. Coming to questions, the first question most of the time being asked by interviewer to candidate is, tell me about yourself. As this question is about an individual, so oftenly we skip preparing for this question, and most of the time candidates speak extempore while answering this question. Now question is, why speaking extempore is not a good idea. We all know the fact that first impression is the last impression. So we have to be damn good while telling about ourselves. Now making a good first impression is very important for every candidate. Fact from a lot of research says that the person sitting in front of you takes 7 seconds to make the first impression about you in his or her mind. So it is very important for every candidate to make a good first impression. Now we'll see what are those points which will help us in answering this question in a better manner. So these points are, you have to start with your name, then which town / city you are native of, where you are currently based, your qualifications, your experience, organizations you have worked for starting from latest one in chronological order, brief about the roles and responsibilities you have handled while in your job, and the last one is an optional one about family details. In case interviewer has specifically asked you to mention family details, you can mention in initial answering, or you can take it later on when the interviewer will ask you to mention that. The second question which is there in the list is, why you want to leave your present company. This is also a very common question being asked by interviewers, and while answering this question, a major point which we have to take care of is that we have to answer this question on a positive reason note, and we have to avoid any negative reason to be given to the interviewer, although our motive for changing could be a negative reason. So we'll see some common positive reasons which people use to answer this question is desire to learn more, a desire of a candidate to take on more responsibility, I am seeking to advance my career, or I want to be part of growth journey of your organization. So these are few inputs which will help you in answering this question, why we are looking for a change. The third question which is being asked is, what are your strengths? Now this question needs maximum preparation. It gives you opportunity to pitch yourself in the best way you can. Make sure you take time to describe your accomplishments and all your good that you have done for your current employer. Relate your accomplishments to your strengths so that you will be able to pitch yourself in the best possible manner. So we'll see some common strengths people talk about are enthusiasm, trustworthiness, creativity, resilience, determination, adaptability, agility. So these are few strengths which you can use while answering this question on strengths. The fourth question in this list is, what are your weaknesses? And you have to be very tricky in answering this question. Although you think you have many weaknesses, but be very cautious in answering this question. You have to look for some positive points in answering them, as your weaknesses can limit your chance of getting shortlisted for any role. Coming to some common weaknesses which are being listed here are, I love taking risks. See, I am being honest. I have trouble saying no to people I am detailed oriented, I am talkative, I am very straightforward. Using these points, you can answer this question on what are your weaknesses. Coming to the final question, why should we hire you? It's an important question. This is a question which is used by interviewer as well as candidate to bridge the gap and to match the requirements. Now, to answer this question, candidate should do a thorough research about the organization, like the history, product, values, growth journey, and customers, and match his own accomplishments with the values of the organization. Some inputs to answer this question are: you should hire me for this role because of my proven ability to maintain strong interpersonal relationships, which will help in managing the current clientele of the organization. With over 15 years of experience in agency world, I will bring my creative, motivational and strategic marketing skills to the client side with your company. Avoid the generic answers like I'm smart and qualified for this role or job. This we come to the end of this video. We hope these questions and our inputs to answer these questions will help you in prepare for your next job interview. We wish you all the best and good luck. Keep watching our videos for more learning, and thank you so much.